Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about variable equations, and here are the list of vocab terms. An equation is just a mathematical sentence that contains an equal sign. So as a matter of fact, an equation would be one that doesn't even have variables. So like if I say 3 plus 5 equals 8, that would be considered an equation. An equation that does have a variable, like x plus 7 equals 10, that's called an open sentence. A solution or answer value for the variable that makes an equation true. So for x plus 7 equals 9, the solution is 2. Solving an equation, going through the process of finding the solution to an equation. And equivalent is just two expressions that have the same meaning, like 2 plus 3 and 1 plus 4. They both equal 5. Okay, so for this first part, you are going to find the solution to the equation from the given list. The list of answer choices, that's called a replacement set. And what you want to do is pretty much just test each of those numbers and see which one works in the equation. So for example, I have the number 4 here. So if I take 4 plus 15, I want to know if that equals 21. No, that does not. So then I try the next one. 5 plus 15, does that equal 21? Nope. However, 6 plus 15 does equal 21, so I can say that H is equal to 6. Using that same process, go ahead and try the next 3 problems. Pause the video and then play the video to check your answers. Okay, let's go ahead and see how you did. So for the next problem here, we have 13 minus what is equal to 4? And the answer would be 9. 13 minus 9 equals 4. So M equals 9. All right, for the next one, the correct answer is 13. 2 times 13 minus 5 is how we get 21, so K equals 13. And for the last problem, X is equal to 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4, plus 5 is equal to 9, so X is equal to 16. Okay, and the last part of this lesson is we need to write the equation that goes with the statement and then solve the equation. Notice you're not given a replacement set for these problems. You just need to figure out mentally what the answer is, or if you can't do it mentally, you can do some scratch work on your paper to figure it out. So we're going to translate these sentences just like we translated phrases. A number increased by, remember, means plus. Increased by 8 is means equals 23. And now using some mental math, I want to know what number plus 8 equals 23. That number would be 15. So I would write that as X equals 15. Go ahead and try the next 3 problems on your own and then play the video to check your answers. Okay, let's see how you did. For the next equation, 25 is 10 less than a number. Remember when we talked about the words less than? That actually means that we need to switch the order of our 10 and our variable. So in order to solve this one, we would get X equals 35. Now sometimes when we're doing problems like that where the 25 is written on the left-hand side, that can be confusing, and it's perfectly okay to take that equals 25 and to write it on the right instead. All right, the next problem, quotient means divide. So the quotient of a number and 5 is 9. Therefore, X is equal to 45. You could also write that one with a division sign, although typically in 7th grade we stop using that division sign and we start writing things in fraction form. And the last one, product means multiply, so the product of 9 and a number is 72. So what does that number equal? The number 8. Nice job.